Hey guys, welcome back to High Yield Intraday Trading. I hope every one of you is doing good. So before we start discussing today's topic, let me request you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button here. Once you click on it, you will get the confirmation on the left bottom corner. Post you subscribe to my channel, also make sure to press the bell icon and click on all. You will get the confirmation on the left bottom corner so that whenever I upload a video, you get the notification about the same without any misses. Also, I would request you all to subscribe to my Telegram channel with the name HYIT Intraday Calls because I share a lot of things over there and it might be helpful to you in some way or the other. All right, so before we start with today's discussion, please allow me to mention about an offer that will reduce your capital requirements for trading various segments like the NSE futures and the MCX futures. Okay, talking about the NSE futures, you can trade contracts like Nifty, Bank Nifty, SGX Nifty, etc. with just 6,000 rupees for one lot, whereas in MCX you can trade one lot of crude oil, copper, natural gas, etc. for just 4,000 to 6,000 rupees. Okay, for gold and silver, it will cost you around 10,000 rupees per lot. And not only this, you will be happily surprised when you get to know the other features that are being offered. I can't give you all the details here as there are many, but I will surely share all the details post you get in touch with me. In today's scenario, if you want to trade one lot of crude oil, you need to have a minimum of 1.6 lakhs as your capital, that is 1 lakh 60,000. Similarly, for Nifty, for just one lot, you need to have at least 1 lakh as your capital. Now replace 1.6 lakhs with 4,000 to 6,000 rupees and 1 lakh with 6,000 rupees. It does make a lot of difference to a retail trader like you and me, right? So that's the help I want to extend or offer. And if you are interested, then you can get in touch with me on the details that are being shown on the screen and we can take it forward. All right, so this is just an announcement video, guys, wherein I just want to broadcast the message that we are starting the new premium channel for providing the pointers or calls for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, I was actually thinking of doing this since a while, but was not sure about it. But finally decided to ask you guys who are a part of the HYT's public Telegram channel. And according to the votings, 91% of the guys who have voted are interested in this. So since I have got a positive response from the guys, I finally decided to make it happen. Okay. So the date from which we will be starting this service is from 10th of October 2022 onwards, which is the coming Monday. We actually need some time to prepare for this, so that everything goes seamlessly, and also this will give some time and space for the guys to decide and join in. Okay, having that said, let me highlight some major points that will be helpful for you to decide whether you should be joining us or not. So firstly, the reason why you should be joining us is because if you are someone who is a part of HYT's public Telegram channel, then obviously you would have seen the kind of anticipations that I make. Most of the time, the calls go in the right and expected directions, right? So this is the most important factor that anyone should consider. If I can give the right calls in the public, then obviously I will take good care of you in private. Okay, so that was point number one. Secondly, as the name suggests, in this premium channel, we will give the calls for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So whenever the technicals match for Nifty, we will broadcast the Nifty calls, and whenever the technicals match for Bank Nifty, we will broadcast the Bank Nifty calls. Okay, so it will be a mixture of both. Okay, next, coming to the timings of the call. The calls will be given only post 9:20 a.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. The reason for leaving the first 5 minutes is because we really cannot decide anything in the first 5 minutes. And most importantly, the technicals don't give any hint in the first 5 minutes. So we have to wait for the 9:15 a.m. candle to close to decide upon the trades. Okay. Also, as you might have seen many of the times, I post my trading screenshot before 9:30 a.m. or even 9:25 a.m. So that surely should give you a surety that we can wrap up the day within the initial stages of the market opening. But yes, we take the trades only if the technicals allow us to take the trade. Okay, or else we wait for the right opportunity. Okay, next is the platform. The platform will be Telegram, and all the calls will be given on Telegram. The guys who will be joining in will be invited via a personal link, and using that, they will be allowed to join the Telegram channel. Okay, and for the rest of the points related to trading Nifty and Bank Nifty, they will be shared in the channel itself. I will go ahead and pin it into the channel so that whenever anyone joins in, they can read out the rules and the other stuffs first. So for the guys who are interested, I would request them to get in touch with me in person, and I will share all the required details, and then we can take it up forward. Okay, and please don't worry about the charges. I will keep it to the minimum. And just in case if you don't know, I have not increased the charges of any of my premium channels since the last 3 to 4 years, right? In fact, this thing was being done for free earlier, but people don't respect free things, right? Free things, and they start taking it for granted. So I thought, why not to charge a little amount for the time and effort that I'm putting in here? Okay, so the charges will be affordable for sure, just that you need to decide and join in. Yeah, so that's it from my end, guys. You will, I believe you all are having a very nice day. You all have a wonderful day ahead as well, and I will see you all later. Have a very good day. Bye bye.